We'll guide you through how to create a custom field in ClickUp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your ClickUp workspace on your computer and open the specific space, folder, or list where you want to add the custom field. Now, you'll see the Add Column button on the right side of your task list or board view. Click on Add Column to open the Custom Fields menu. Here, you have a variety of options to choose from, like text, number, date, dropdown, and more. Select the type of custom field that best fits your needs. For example, if you want to track estimated hours, you can choose the number field. After selecting the type, you can name your custom field whatever suits your project, like estimated hours or priority level. Once you've named your field, decide if it should be a required field for all tasks in that list. This ensures that every task has the necessary information filled out. You can also set default values if needed, which can save time when creating new tasks. Click Create or Add to finish setting up your custom field. Now, your new custom field will appear as a column in your task view, and you can start filling it in for each task. Remember, you can always edit or delete custom fields by clicking the gear icon next to the column header. Custom fields are a great way to tailor ClickUp to your specific workflow and project needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.